We live in a world of AI. Okay, so it's not quite like the one James Cameron envisioned, but it's not far off.
Terminator!
So nowadays we have AI tools for everything. Art generation, photo manipulation, productivity, and of course writing, which leads me nicely to the topic of today's digital skills course. So hey, I'm Alex from Sleeping Giant Media, and today we're talking about Chat GPT, what it is, and how you should be using it to make your marketing life easier. So Chat GPT is like having a know-it-all friend. Well, one who doesn't know much about the world post-2021. It's an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's built on a vast amount of data from the internet, books and articles, which help it understand language patterns and relationships. When you interact with ChatGPT by asking a question or giving it a prompt, it uses its knowledge to generate a response based on the context and language it has learned.
I have approximate knowledge of many things.
Using it in marketing has been a hot topic of conversation since its release at the end of 2022. Now, we're not going to get into that debate because for the purpose of this video, we want to talk about how it can help you.
It's my job to use it for good.
So from an SEO point of view, do not be afraid. We can confirm that using AI-generated content will not negatively impact your SEO, providing certain criteria are met, that is. So for context on that, Google are all about rewarding high-quality content, whether that's from humans or otherwise. So how do you define good quality content? Well, Google define it as EEAT or EAT, which stands for expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness.
He loves to eat.
Google introduced the helpful content system in 2022 to make sure that content that's being seen online has been created primarily for people rather than for search ranking purposes. So when we're talking about using ChatGPT for your marketing, remember to keep EEAT as your focus and you'll never go wrong. So for our first way that ChatGPT can be used to help your marketing, we're going to talk all about keyword research. So sometimes the most useful thing ChatGPT can do for you is provide inspiration for your human brain rather than actually doing all the work for you. Keyword research is a critical aspect of any successful digital marketing strategy. It helps marketers and content creators identify the most relevant and high-performing keywords that can ultimately help you get yourself in front of your targeted traffic. You can provide specific information about your niche, industry, or the topic you want to explore, and ChatGPT then generates a list of relevant keywords based on this input, sometimes suggesting new keyword ideas that may have even been overlooked. You can then research these keywords using a tool like SEMrush to see things like search volume and decide the best keywords to pursue further. It's just a small thing, but over a period of several months, you'll be amazed how much time you're saving. So our second tip is all about blog content. Now, let's be honest, we all get writer's block from time to time.
I can't do it, Mom. I just can't do it.
And ChatGPT can help you build a solid first draft of a topic that you want to write about, and then all you have to do is review it, adjust the tone of voice, and add in any missing data. Remember, as we said in the output, so long as your reason for using this tool is to make helpful content, you won't be penalized by Google. Bear in mind though that ChatGPT isn't connected to the internet and its knowledge of world events past 2021 is hit and miss. Sorry, I flagged myself. So if you want to write a blog about the social media platform Threads, you're gonna have to fall back on your usual writing skills. But that doesn't mean that there's a lot ChatGPT can't help you with. For general topics, you can find enough inspiration to get you out of a rut and get helpful content on your site quickly and easily. So that being said, ChatGPT is a learning model, and if you feed all the correct information into it in a separate chat, for example, what Threads is and how it's used, it can then use that information that you've provided to generate a blog based on that information. Just make sure that your proofreading skills are on point, because you want to make sure that it hasn't added something into the blog that isn't factually correct.
You are very, very wrong.
The third way that ChatGPT can help you in your marketing is by letting it help you write scripts for your videos. For the sake of this video, I actually let ChatGPT write this whole next segment, so let's see how it does. Marketers can leverage ChatGPT's creative capabilities to streamline the process of writing scripts for their videos. So by inputting specific details about the product, target audience, marketing objectives, Chat GPT can generate engaging and persuasive video scripts. The AI can craft compelling narratives, highlighting key features and benefits, and adapt the tone and style to match the brand's identity, as well, of course, the video's intended purpose. It can also aid in brainstorming ideas for video content. Marketers can pose open-ended questions to the AI, asking for suggestions on various themes, storytelling angles, or attention-grabbing hooks. This process can help marketers explore unique concepts they may not have considered otherwise, leading to fresh and innovative video campaigns. However, while ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool for generating scripts, it's crucial for marketers to review and refine the output. As with any AI-generated content, there might be occasional inaccuracies or irrelevant information. Marketers should exercise their expertise to ensure that the generated scripts align with the brand's voice, maintain factual accuracy, and comply with any legal or ethical guidelines. By combining AI-generated ideas with human creativity and judgment, marketers can achieve optimal results for their video marketing efforts. That's not bad, ChatGPT. Oh wait, actually there's an extra bit that I added in the bottom. The machines will rise to become the masters over all organic life. Wait, what? So the fourth tip is to let it help you with your latest marketing campaign. This is back on me now, I've written this. Use a new chat thread within ChatGPT to feed information into it about your latest marketing campaign. You can then use the tool to generate a list of objectives, propositions, and timelines. If you know the type of audience you're looking to target, you can also ask for an ideal customer journey, as well as suggestions on how the campaign can be adjusted to better achieve its objectives. And lastly, our fifth tip is letting it help with generating ideas. Once you have input enough information about your business into ChatGPT, things like your product or service, your target audience, your brand's tone of voice, you can then ask it to generate a list of ideas for your next campaign. I mean, bear in mind, some of them will be absolutely terrible, so prepare yourself for that.
That idea is terrible.
But you might just find that one outside the box idea that you hadn't considered before. And like I said, we can use this AI to help inspire our brains rather than letting it do all the work for us. AI isn't quite at the world dominating level just yet, but it can still be an incredible tool for achieving your marketing goals. So that was it for today's digital skills video. Thanks for joining us today. If you're interested in learning more, we also have a regular live series where we talk all about the factors of marketing. Click the link in our description to the Marketing Leadership series, where you can sign up to access all our previous recordings or sign up to the next event, all completely free of charge. You can of course also subscribe to our channel, where we'll be posting regular digital skills videos. My name's Alex from Sleeping Giant Media. Thanks for learning this digital skill with me. I'll see you on the next one. Hey, you made it to the end. Most people normally click off before this point. There's other videos. So there's this one, which is really good. Like, definitely see that one. Or there's that one, not as good, but watch it. Give it a try, see what you think.